If he can steal this baby, it should be to his advantage. This is Nick. With Rala's newborn in his grasp, Nick can start to use it to win allies. Newborns need to feed regularly or risk dying. By rushing the baby over to another male and to another, Nick is trying to curry favour. A strategy that could create a new coalition. The growing commotion catches his attention. Mac must restore order. He quickly asserts his dominance and rescues the tiny baby. Nick is firmly put back in his place. Mac can now return the hungry baby to the safety of her mother to feed. Mac has proved himself to be a strong and protective leader and reasserted his position at the top of the troop.